Okay, so let's go through today's lesson. Now it might say, mid-year mock paper and all that. I know your WA2s are over, but today we are looking at situational writing. That's the main part. But we will still be looking at your editing, basically. So let's have a look. Same thing. Look for the first and last line. See what the main tense is like. He was not an especially charming man. Was over here indicates to us it's a simple past. Yet when he spoke, once again simple past, you felt compelled. Once again felt, simple past. Next, the last line, good principles and conduct ourselves honorably. There's no verb for the last line. So we can safely assume that the entire passage is in the simple present tense, more or less. So there's that. Let's try and see whether we can correct the first question or not. So, question 1. What's the answer? Send your answers to me on the chat group. Javier got it correct. So Javier doesn't need to answer question 1, but the rest will need to give me their answers. On Wendell, Jin Hao, Hinton, Nathan, and that's all, right? Yes. Okay, so Ron has given me his answer. How about the rest? Oh, Javier participated in a speech competition audition today. And how did the audition go? It's like a Toastmasters club kind of thing, right? Nice. So when will you know the results, whether you are going for the next round or not? Okay, Jian Hao is correct. That's good. So Jian Hao and Saran have given me the correct answers. 10 minutes to prep an impromptu speech. You don't know when the results are. Well, um, are you hoping to get the chance to do it, or are you like thinking like, oh, I better not get it? Randall, that is incorrect. How about Quinton and Nathan? Nope, that's still not correct, Randall. Look for something that it's uh it's in plural, but you need to switch it to singular. Like it doesn't make sense if it's plural. Yes, Randall is correct. So JV, you're kind of like undecided whether you really want to participate in the competition or not. I guess it's always a good experience, doing something that you've never done before. Even if you don't win, so what? It's a good learning experience. Mm. Quinton, Nathan, answers. Question 1. So like my clue to Randall just now, it's something that is not meant to be plural. Hey, what happened to Quinton? He disconnected. Oh, Randall, is that an improvement or is that like a deprovement? Oh, D grade. What was the previous grade? Oh no. Okay, that's not good. But this is for your WA2, right? Were you only given the chance for discursive writing and nothing else? Like there were no other questions to pick from. Ah, okay, I see what happened there. It's because you weren't given a choice and you didn't really like discursive writing. Eh, okay. So that's why I always tell you guys, I say, for your O levels, it's good to specialize in more than one type of essay. Yeah, especially if stuff like this happens. Nathan, Quinton, what are your answers? Question one, still waiting. Your English teacher got angry at the class because people didn't do well for the WA2? Oh, yeah, okay. Yes, for question one, Nathan. Okay, that's not correct. Quinton, how about Nathan? Yes, Nathan is correct. So the answer here is for question one, were needs to change to was because the subject is singular. You knew he was being straight with you. Yeah? Only a few people got distinction. Okay. Oh, you were looking at the first sentence. Ah, wrong sentence, Quinton. First sentence, there's nothing wrong in the first sentence for the editing. It's always correct grammatically. All right, next question two. Question two, even Javier got it wrong. Everyone has to answer for question two. So Randall, you can't really tell what your English standard is just from the WA2 because it only tests you on a very small part of your English language skills. You can only tell what your skill level is like if they give you like a full test, like paper one to paper four. That's incorrect, in how? That's correct, Javier. How about the rest? Question two. What's the answer for question two, everyone? So far, Javier has gotten it correct. Jinho has gotten it wrong. Randall is correct. Good. Theron is correct. How about Quinton and Nathan? Give me a second, guys. I just need to go grab my water. I think I left it outside. Oh no, my water is out here. Okay, so Quinton, that is incorrect. And how about Nathan? Hmm. Quinton is correct now. How about Nathan? 5 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one, zero. Okay, so no point for Nathan for this one. The answer is this is a tick. There's actually nothing incorrect here. So you're supposed to put a tick for number two. All right, number three. Um, he would not try to cajole or flatter. He would always be frank and direct. On speaking to him in person, you would know his speeches were not fluffed up puff. So for this one, um, there's a weird preposition. There's a weird preposition here. Yes, Randall, you caught it. But Yeah, Javier got it correct for this one actually. But the system marked him as wrong, but it's an acceptable answer. Jin Hao is correct. Good. How about Saron, Quinton, and Nathan? The clue here is there's a weird preposition for question 3. I'll give you another clue. The error is before the comma. The error is before the comma. That's not correct, Quinton. What word are you changing to only, Nathan? Quinton is correct now. You can't use that word, Nathan, to replace that. It doesn't make sense. You can't say only speaking to him. Yes, Saron, that's right. Yes, Nathan, the error is correct, but you've changed it wrongly. What can you change it to make it sound more grammatical? 10 seconds? No, 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bang, 0. Okay, so the error over here is on. Okay, we can change it to upon speaking to him in person, or you can say when speaking to him in person, or you can say after speaking to him in person, or you can say from speaking to him in person. There are a few answers that might work over here. No, it's not the word speaking. I say it's the word before speaking. Yeah. Okay, next. Question 4, Javier got it correct. How about the rest of you? It's another preposition error here. That's not correct, Quinton. Yes, Saron, that is correct. They were truly his opinions on the matter he cared most with. Do we say he cared most with? They were truly his opinions on the matter he cared most with. He cared most with. It's just weird, right? Hao is correct. Randall, your initial answer is wrong. Quinton has changed his answer, he's now correct. Randall is still wrong. We don't say the matters he cared most with. That's just weird. No, it's nothing to do with that, Randall. How about Nathan? What's your answer here? Yes, Nathan is correct. Yes, Randall is finally correct. They were truly his opinions on the matter he cared most about. You don't care with matters. You care about matters, right? You care about stuff. Next, number 5. He would never echo empty slogans or narrow-minded ideologies. They are always thoroughly researched. So number 5, it's a tense mistake. Javier got it correct. Look at it carefully. Something in the wrong tense there.